Bang still there! Sa mga hindi nakapanood ng vlog kahapon, totoong bangs po yan. Hindi na po yan prank. At hindi po siya nagustuhan ng mister ko. At the second time around, let's go upstairs and ask my husband if he likes my bangs in the second vlog. Pinapaakyat po nila ako kay si Nata nag-iinarte. Hello? How are you today? Feeling good? Hi! You don't like my bangs, mahal? You know, the first time you also did not like my hair. Hi!
It's okay.
New wife. Well, it's about my hair. You told me the last time I look like Tita.
Yeah, like Tita.
No, you don't like my hair again, mahal. See? You have a new wife tonight, ha? Kiss. O, Dayna, let's go to Oma. Anong tanong mo?
Silly face.
Silly face. O, lugay nga itsura ng isa ka pang tinitingnan niya. Parang napaisip talaga. What are you thinking?
Your bangs mo.
Namroblema na naman ang mister ko, guys. Do you like my bangs, bebe love? Do you like my hair? Do you like my hair? Tinuturuan mo ng tatay, uy.
He's doing.
Do you like my hair?
It.
Do you like my hair? Look at my hair. You like it? Yeah, yes daw, uy. How about you? You like it?
It's okay.
No.
Ha? Nilapitan po ako dito ng mister ko, guys. Hindi po to gawa lang, ha. Ganyan yan siya ba? Sabihin niya pag wala sa camera, pero pag sa camera, maggara-gara siya. Sabi niya pa, you are beautiful. It looks nice on you. Sabi ko, akala ko ba hindi mo nagustuhan? Sabi niya, I still need to get used to it. Pero maganda po daw, no? Maganda talaga siya, guys. Kaya sabi ko ang bangs po ang pinag-uusapan po natin ngayon. Kaya hindi na masyado makita ang ating pa-wrinkles ba? Itago na lang natin ang mga dapat itago, guys. Kaya mahal ang Botox. Pupunta po tayo kay Bianan. Doon po kami mag-dinner. How about Nathan? Do you like the hair of Mama?
Opo.
You love it?
Opo.
Is Mama beautiful?
Opo.
Is Mama beautiful or not?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Mama is?
Beautiful.
Thank you. Si Bianan kaya, ano kayang reaksyon niya? Nung huli pa naman, sabi niya, wag ka mag-bangs. Vika may laba. The last time, she said that I English lagi ba? Later may laba. Agoy, nakita na ni Vika, guys. Nag-story kasi ako ng may bangs. Tumawa. Ang kanyang reaksyon, tawa. Nandito na si Bianan, guys. Sa labas. May dalang kuan.
Will you off me? Will you off me?
Kaya okay. No, we're going to Oma, baby love. We're going to Oma. Hello. To who are you giving the flower, Vika?
Woman on the other side of the street.
Vika. Vika, do you like my bangs, Vika?
Oh yeah, I like it. Nice.
Okay.
What did you do?
I cut my hair.
Yeah. Hello, jongen.
Nagustuhan niya man daw.
Oh.
Ibigay niya daw sa kapitbahay niya, guys.
Nou, fijn dat jullie er zijn.
Yeah.
Heb jij al bloemen garnet?
No, it's fine. You can give it to your neighbor. We have the same
Ik geef even de...
haircut, Vika. Ang ano ba?
Wil je dit wegbrengen?
No, kama. Bye, Oma. Ayaw ni Nathan. Di ba ganyan sila dito, guys? Magbigay ng mga bulaklak. Feeling ko may hiningi po yan na pabor si Bianan sa kapitbahay. Ganyan sila dito. Halika dito, kayong sipon mo.
Oma?
Andun sa kapitbahay. Siguro may pinagawa po si Bianan na nagpaano ng alaga ng kanyang pusa. Yung mali siya, tapos magpakain po ng pusa niya. Ganyan siya. Pagbalik dito, bigyan po ng something ba ang kapitbahay. Andiyan na siya, andiyan na.
Hallo, schatje.
What do you want from Oma?
Wat wil je? Speelgoed?
Nee.
Wat dan?
Speelgoed pakken.
Oh, oké. Nou, dan pakken we toch speelgoed, schatje.
Nee, jij moet lief vragen, bebe lab. Oma. Tingnan nyo ang amaryllis ni Bianan guys. Maganda. Color white. In fairness. Tapos kalaki ng bowl ito, no? Para lang po siyang malaking onion.
Mooi bosje wat je hebt, toch?
Ah,
De
yes.
schilderij komt er ook mooier door uit.
Yan na yung binili natin. Fake flowers. But really looks good, Vika. Looks real.
Schilderij. Het is goed is om op te zitten.
Hmm?
Weet je, thuis maak je dat
180 euros yan guys. Kasama ang ang vase. Is that green?
Het is, ja, beide is groen.
Tea guys.
die.
Mag ik ruiken?
Oh, lekker. Deze ook voor mij.
En dit is
Met
ook-
sinaasappel, Vika?
Ja, denk ik
Ah.
met lemon.
Yeah. Ah, I like that one.
Mint en lemon.
Is that from Gouda?
Ja.
Ang dahilan pala ng pagbigay ng flowers ni Bianan sa kapitbahay niya kasi na galing sa ospital. Kay naglakad daw dyan sa labas ng bahay niya, natumba. Tapos malaki daw masyado ang dito, something na dislocate siguro. Tapos ngayon nakauwi na, binigyan niya po ng bulaklak. Busy na siya sa kanyang puzzle-puzzle dito. Magbami po daw tayo for tonight's vlog. Nathan, wij gaan bami eten. Gusto mo ng bami? Ano gusto mo kainin? Bami or bami?
Mami. Mami.
Mami?
Mami.
Ayan po siya, isa-isay natin. Diba? Kahit ang niya dito, ang pastem-stem niya po. Looks real talaga. Meron pa siyang tulips. Tinulungan din kasi sila, kaya maganda. Yung yung nagtatrabaho po doon, no? Tapos ito naman na tulips, nagbukas na siya. What is inside, mahal? May itlog daw to, guys. Mukhang masarap.
That is crushed almonds mixed with egg.
Galing po dito ang kapatid ni Bianan, hinatid niya po sa labas. Hindi ko na po blinagno kaya din. Pugi ang ang kapatid niya, ang bunsong kapatid po ni Bianan. How old is Bob, man? Like 2 years old, no, younger than Vika. Oh, 2 years younger. Si Bianan 73 siya, mga 71.
Weggewezen.
Wegwezen.
Pinapaalis niya si Kiwi.
Wegwezen.
Kapatid ni Sushi. Anong sabihin mo kay Kiwi? Kiwi?
Kiwi. Ga maar weg.
Waarom?
Kiwi lopen.
Ja, kiwi mag wel wat meer lopen. Dat is goed voor kiwi. Kiwi is zo dik.
Het is nog lopen.
Ga maar lopen, kiwi. Bij de molen. Wat zie je? Allemaal.
Kijk.
Ja, dat is het Kremlin.
En kijk.
What do you think of your wife?
Kijk.
Een
Net I
palmboom.
love my wife so.
Kijk.
Ook een boom.
Nagluto na dito, guys. Uy, may ubo man ang baby love. Oh, what did you put there, Vika? It's already smelling good. I think it's the chicken. Ayaw, the chicken. Nilagyan niya lang ng garlic. Magtingin dyo daw siya. Oh, lahat na andito ba?
Ja.
Tingin sa luto ng lola niya.
Glasplaat meer.
Ingat ka dyan. Kaya ang mantika mapunta sa mukha mo dyan. Ingat ka. Pepper ya.
Wil je die erin hebben? Of niet?
No, Vika, maybe it's too spicy for Nathan. Ito po yung gulay niya. Oh.
You can do one without the seeds.
Ja.
Or you think that's too spicy?
Yeah, without the seed.
Aan het maken.
Yeah,
ik ben
bami.
aan het maken, hè.
Tinanong niya kung spaghetti ba daw ang niluluto. Ano ang masarap? Spaghetti or bami?
Mami.
Yeah, bami.
Mami salami.
Bami salami. Buang talaga ito si Daniel ba? Diba kayo nagluluto si Bianan? Bigla niyang ginanon ang ang oops ko. Di si Bianan, sabi niya pa, nakita ko yun ah. Nakita ko yun. Ito po yung panlasa na ginamit ni Bianan. Ilagay lang dyan oh. Very easy. Tapos hindi na siya nag-slice ng mga gulay pa. Bami goreng. Peanut sauce. Homemade peanut sauce by Bianan. Lagyan niya pa yan ng coconut milk later.
Veel vanwege Nathan.
Garlic,
Nasi.
coconut milk.
Nasi.
Wow. naglagay din po nito ketchup manis. Ano po to siya? Black soy sauce.
Ketchup.
At sambal.
Sambal dulu.
Tapos maglagay pa yan ng ano, tomato paste. Wow! You see that, guys? Nilagyan ko siya ulit ng coconut milk. Kaya masyadong malapot. What is that?
Just a little bit ginger.
Ginger. Hanap na sa mga herbs na nanay niya. Oh. And what is that? Curry?
Curry, klein beetje.
En paprika.
Just to add a little bit of flavor daw. And paprika. Wow!
Zie je dat ook?
A little bit more, Vika.
Ja?
Yeah.
Oké.
Just a little bit more.
Je hebt ook wat
Yes.
vissaus of zo.
And tomato puree.
A little bit of oyster sauce or fish sauce might not be bad. Because else you would use the shrimp paste.
Yeah.
Don't have that here, so
The
maybe
fish sauce.
is not bad.
Just a super little bit of fish sauce. And the noodles. You want to try? It's not yet hot though. Want to try? Oh.
If it's not just hot, then let's make it a little bit warmer first.
Wow. That's the thickness we want, guys. Can you do it like that, Hans? Okay. Wow. Me though. Is it?
Very coconutty.
Yeah, we will coconut.
Ja, dat was vorige keer of zo.
I like it.
Ja?
Hij is wel erg lekker.
Oké.
You know what's missing? The shrimp paste.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Yeah.
Ja.
Wala kasi na. Hindi.
Do you
that's
think
not
it
really
needs
shrimp
a
paste,
little bit
ma'am.
more salt?
Hmm?
Do you think it needs a little
Yeah, a
bit more
little
salt?
bit salt. We put too much herb already ba?
I like it herby. You know, that's the peanut sauce here in the Netherlands at least. You make it with a lots of herbs. And the kare kare,
Yeah.
you make it not with a lot of herbs and then you put the shrimp paste in it.
Yeah.
It's two different ways of making peanut things.
Kasi bien na naghahanap pa. Meron na naman siyang nakita na kumain. Cumin seed. Pwede pala magpapaya salad ng extra small si Bianan eh. Meron pala siyang pag ganyan oh.
I think it's good. It's hot though.
Mmm!
Lekker?
Yeah, super. Lekker. Here, look, Mahal. You can really cook, Mahal. I'm proud of you. You got it from your mom?
No, from himself.
Para may magawa din po tayo dito, mag-prepare ng mesa. Gutom na ako ba? Parang kadami kumakain po tonight's video. Perfect. That's for me?
You don't want it with the sauce?
I want. Mmm! Perfect, my love. Alam nyo, ang bangs ko ba? Feeling ko forever na ako magbabangs, guys.
What can the day for?
Wait lang ba? Saya pa. Asan ang ano ko? Kutsara at tinidor. So, lekker na Tanya? Gawa ni Oma yan.
Zal ik het jou
Dankjewel.
doen, Daan?
Yes, please. Thank you, Vika. Oh, wow.
Wacht, er komt nog even een lekker groen.
No diet for today's video. Thank you. Enough.
Genoeg?
Magugusin natin.
Lekker? Wie doet de diet?
Niemand.
Oh. Hoeft ook niet, toch?
Dat is wat ik zeg.
Heb je een
Jawel.
nieuw jasje, Daan?
Ha? Nee, this one, Dayan. I bought it
Oh,
like
yeah.
5 euros. From Dayan.
Oké,
Second hand.
mooi.
Bago ba daw ang damit ko? Sabi ko kay Dayan. So, pinda sauce. Lekker to. Sambal.
Ja, lekker. Oké, dit is atjar.
May atchal.
En ik heb ook dit.
Atchal? Ano yan?
Lekker.
Chara.
Oma,
Alsjeblieft, liefje.
Oh.
Wil jij de atjar even een pot openmaken?
dankjewel.
Yeah, and I also want
Alsjeblieft, schat. Vind je het
atchal.
lekker?
Masarap yan siya. May mga ganito.
Ook een label zo hebben.
I have Vika.
Oh, prima.
Yeah. Clean. This is clean.
Mm.
Ala? Or not ala?
Just yeah, like that.
Wat wil jij erbij?
Thank you.
Kain. Daube, daube.
Lekker.
To see, you want to see? Very good the ano, peanut sauce. The peanut sauce very good.
Wow.
Ano, kinainan na ng ano. Sarap siya sa krupek din.
My.
Yeah.
It's like we're destined.
Yeah, that's what my vlog today, mahal, about destiny, that you are my destiny.
Yeah, you know why? Because I was telling Vika that I like acidic food. And before even then we're making lots of the big lettuce with all the stuff in it. And then I'm making sauce with a lot of vinegar and then a little bit sugar and oil.
Yeah.
But always acidic because I like that. And I'm saying, how big then is the chance that I marry a Filipina?
Papa heeft ook.
A Filipina, where you know in your culture you have a little bit of vinegar with your with your beer snack. What do you call it again? The snack that you have with the beer. Name?
Chicharon.
No. Just when you have a snack. Yeah. No, when you have a snack with a beer. This has a name.
A snack with beer.
The food you have with a beer. Any food. What is it called?
Any food.
Any food with a drink. Pulutan, yeah. That you know you have a lot of pulutan. That you have some vinegar with that, and then we have the what's that? The spicy herby vinegar. The name?
The pinakurat.
Yeah, and then you have the pinakurat with the food, and then the sour soup. You know, it's like we're destined because no other wife will give me that.
Oh,
Destiny.
Because Vika, my vlog today, Vika, when I was a child, you know, it's like there was a sign already, mahal.
Yeah.
That I will have, I will have you. Because when I was a child, we have a poster of a house. I think I already told you this. We have a poster of a house that really looks like the houses in Tipcorn. And I really love that poster.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And then when I was 11 years old, there was a magazine with all the houses that looks like your houses here. You know, the houses in Amsterdam like that.
Yeah.
And I was saying that I hope in the future I will be living here.
Aww.
Ang nanay na, the mom, looking at us. Andyan na naman sila sa tawag-tawag nila.
Hallo, met oom Ruben.
Kaya tawagan niya daw. Tito Ruben niya. Tawagan niya daw kapatid ni Daniel.
Wat zei je?
Yeah. Anong sabi? Pwede ka daw magkain ng ice cream? Sabi niya? Okay.
Hallo, met oom Ruben. IJsjes eten, doei!
Oh, wow. Meron na naman ganito si Bianan, guys. Oh, is this new again, Vika?
Yeah.
You eat a lot of this, Vika?
No. Never.
Ito yung ano, yung egg. Yellow egg. This is vegan, right? The ice cream? Yeah, vegan.
Ja. Of wil je wat anders?
Sarap. You want? Advokat. Sige daw. And then?
Thank you.
Wala doon sa loob. It tastes like whiskey, mahal.
It tastes like eggs with sugar
You
and alcohol.
You don't really taste the alcohol, or you do?
Ik proef geen eieren.
And then? Sige daw, sige daw. Wow. You cannot kiss me, huh?
No.
Like that?
Creamy, very creamy is the taste.
Kay bakit gamit-gamit? Akin na! Baliktad ka pa magsuot. Yes? May magbantay na tabalin.
We can go to Akram.
Yeah. We're eating at Sears. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Ano na ba? Binok na namin si Bianan para sa Valentine's.
If he is there, man, maybe he has
Yeah.
the day off. And then he will be with Kim.
Maybe you can ask him if he's working on Valentine's. Kaya gusto ko tikman yung ano, nag-send siya sa akin ba kung paano niya ginagawa yung ano, may menu kasi sila sa restaurant nila na atay ng ano, ng baboy, tapos lagyan ng apple daw, ganun, tapos may mga gravy-gravy. Gusto kong itry. 1, 2, 3, go! Langsang. Be together, mahal. What is that? Tuturututu. Loro mo yung sinatan. O, sige, again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nathan will do it. Nathan was it.
What? Next.
That's what it was. Can you do that?
Yeah! Sila na naman ang lola niya. Go out, mahal. Go out. Go out, mahal. I zoomed you.
I'm in the jungle.
What?
You said this will be your game that you were doing so well.
Not anymore. Take out natin, guys, yun. May pasili, pasibyanan. Hindi niya may kainin.
UA.
5.
Hanggang Nathan Twitter! Hurra! Now!
Wow.
Oh, mahip kain heart, Nathan.
Mama.
Uwi na tayo, guys. Kay si Nathan parang may lagnat pa. Sama ang kanyang pakiramdam. Sili. Dali na, Reka na house. Thank you well, Oma.